Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to share my favorite Ramazan Sehri recipe and dish with you all that I like to eat. I love to eat, and it's very important for our health benefits as well. So, this recipe is lime beef or lime beef steak. Lime steak. Um, I would like to suggest to you all to add beef recipe in your diet during the Ramadan and in the daily routine as well, because we need beef, especially the females need it for so many reasons. It has numerous health benefits, and one important thing that I want to tell you all is that this beef recipe is very delicious. I ordered it from a company named Hunter Beef, and I have mentioned the details of it in the description box. Also, if you want to order from Islamabad or Rawalpindi, you can order them. It's not much expensive, it's cheaper, it's healthier, it's delicious. You need beef for your health, for formation of blood inside your body, for your bone, because beef has so many health benefits. It has a rich amount of iron in it, selenium, zinc, phosphorus, and a lot of proteins which are important for your hair growth, for your nervous system, for your brain, for your bones, for your blood formation. Vitamin B12 is also available in a lot amount inside the beef. So during the Ramadan as well as normal days, include beef in your diet. You should have beef after every 2 days. It's important for the health, and during Ramadan it's even more beneficial. So take care of your health, all of you. Fi amanillah.